Alright, let's start with this piece of paper. Alright, great. Let's just fold it in the center. Let's create that nice little crease right there. Okay. Open it up again. Fold it again to that crease you just created. Alright, great. Bringing it up. Now we're gonna fold these two corners just like that. Sure, take your time. Fold them nice and neat. Just nice little creases. Okay, great. Now we're gonna fold a bigger triangle here. All the way to the other side. Great. Now press it down. Nice. So at this point, we're gonna fold this top corner, this section. Just fold it down like that. Right. Press it down. Now we're gonna fold this corner all the way to the other side. We made a crease right in the center. Okay. Great. Press it down, create a nice crease. Now we have it. So we're gonna look into this intersection between this crease that we just created and this one over here. So at this point, we're gonna fold all the way from this corner to that intersection. All right, just like this. I'm gonna press it down and stop at that point, at that intersection. Press the rest down. All right, great. So now, at this point, we're gonna just hold it and then bend this upward. Okay, just like that, bend it, and then after that, we're just gonna press down this section, this intersection, so that it holds up this piece, and then we're gonna lightly press it down on the outside. Okay, same thing goes for the other side. We're gonna have to press it down and make that little corner stand, same as the last piece. All right, great. So we have one corner of the box created. We'll need 3 more pieces of this. So same steps, we're gonna do 3 more times of that, and then we're gonna have 4 of these pieces. So I went ahead and then I already did it. So we'll have 4 pieces that look exactly the same. Now, at this point, we'll have to put them together. So, we're gonna start with 2 at once, right? So, okay, so just keep in mind, we're gonna have to, since the pattern that we're trying to create is the lining one, we have to alternate at this point. So we're gonna do this. Keep this one, the pointy one, first. We're gonna slide that one inside, just like this. Okay, and then make sure the interior corner one stays out. Okay, just gonna put them together like this. Okay, after that, you're gonna grab another one. Like I mentioned, we're gonna alternate. So before we did the pointing section inside of it. So now this pointing section should be outside. So this piece, this sleeve is gonna go inside of the pointing section, just like that. Okay, let's try that out. Excellent. Okay, now grab the last piece. Same thing again. Now the pointing piece goes inside. While you do this, you have to make sure the center pieces are kind of aligned to each other. So just make sure this one points out. Okay, just like that. Then lastly, now the pointing piece has to be on top of the other side. So we're going to try to inject it right there, just like this. Okay. All right, once everything is in place, we just have to kind of put them together. All right, great. So if you see the interior is like a star, you could say. And then some people like to put the little corners inside those sleeves that are present, like that. Just inject it inside that sleeve. Okay, same goes for the other side. Right, just like that. And then, yeah, these other two pieces don't have that sleeve, so you can't really do that. But there you have it. This is like in the inside. You also have some sort of like a lining pattern. Okay, cool. Now, if you flip it, now you can see the lining pattern on the outside, just like this. So this is lining pattern, and then you could create, just cut a small piece of cardboard or some sort of stronger material that of this side and just put it on top, and then glue if you want, so to hold out the whole box, and then you'll have a stronger base. Now, after this, you can create one exactly the same, just a little bit smaller or bigger, and then at this point I already create one as well for you, just like that. Just make sure the bigger one is gonna be the cap, the lid of it. So at this point we're just gonna put it together to show you, right? And just press it slightly down, and there you have it, the lining pattern for both sides. All right, thanks for watching. Please subscribe.